Tracy, in today's world, like I see this every week in my practice now, my listeners, I'm sure people, my listeners of the podcast and my patients, they're using ChatGPT to get so much information. But I like to say, I mean, I like the discussion I can have with my patients, because they're more informed, but nothing overrides experience, in my estimation. So how does a patient find the right person to do VNS, vagal nerve stimulation treatments? It's because again, this is emerging field and it can leave itself open to a lot of people. There could be chiropractors, acupuncturists, probably fewer MDs than should be that are doing this work. If somebody called you up, whether out in the West Coast or in Europe or something, and they said, Dr. Tracy, we know you're the leader in this field. My family member is suffering terribly, with an autoimmune disease, rheumatoid arthritis, or migraines or whatever, and we want to maybe look into this treatment. How do they go about finding the right avenue to get treatment?
Well, as I mentioned before, as you and I are speaking right now, we are waiting on the FDA to announce its decision on its approval or not. I hope the answer is a definite yes, to use vagus nerve stimulation to treat rheumatoid arthritis in patients in the United States who are out of other treatment options, meaning they've tried other things and it doesn't work. So that will be the first step for vagus nerve surgery implants beyond the historic use in epilepsy and depression. So you're talking now about probably 1.5 million eligible patients in the US who have rheumatoid arthritis and is not being treated well. So that's a large patient population. Currently, the company who will have the device, SetPoint Medical, the company that I co-founded in 2007, they will be launching a product and they will be distributing that product through specific medical centers. So the best resource for your listeners with rheumatoid arthritis would be to go to the SetPoint Medical website. Now,
Okay.
at Northwell Health, we opened several months ago in preparation for this wave, as you mentioned, this coming wave of bioelectronic therapies,